This is the email that I've been waiting for my whole life. It just took 3 days to get approved into that. Hello everyone, this is Feishi and welcome to Live with Feishi. I'm so excited. Today we got monetized. Yeah, we got monetized, guys. I know this video is long overdue. I should have recorded this like 2 or 3 weeks back, but I just didn't have the time to do that. But anyway, yeah, I just couldn't wait to appreciate you all for all the support that you've been giving to this channel. I mean, you are amazing. Okay, and I would like to say a special thank you to my darling husband for always supporting me on this journey. I mean, I could not have done it without him, right? I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, babe. This is exciting. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much for watching these videos, for believing in me, even though I'm not an expert yet in this. I mean, I'm still struggling with the editing, you know what I mean, but you're still watching the videos anyways. So I just want to say, you know what, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So some people may want to know what are the requirements to get monetized. What is monetization after all? That means we have been accepted into the YouTube partner program, and these are the requirements. Well, 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to put it on the screen so that you see what is needed to get monetized. So you're going to need 1,000 subscribers, and you're also going to need 4,000 public watch hours. That simply means if you have a video that is on private, that is not public, that's not gonna count. So it's supposed to be public watch hours. And the other thing you're going to need is the two-step verification. You're supposed to do that. It's supposed to be active. And then you're also going to need to have 0 community guidelines strikes. Okay, did I say it right? Community guidelines strike. Okay, 0 community guideline strikes. Okay, so that means you should not have any issues on your videos like copyright claims or anything like that. If that is the issue, then you're not going to be eligible for monetization. So here's what happened. On the 17th of June, I know this video is long overdue, but I just couldn't get the time. So, well, here I am, and here you are. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, that's what you need to get monetized. Oh, where was I? Okay, on the 17th of June, I received an email telling me that the channel has reached 4,000 watch hours, public watch hours, and also has got 1,000 plus subscribers, and also the other things are in order. So I am now eligible to apply to get into the YouTube partner program. So immediately I just clicked apply, because why not? I just couldn't wait. Like, this is the email that I've been waiting for my whole life. So I just clicked apply, and then okay, we just go through the process, right, of doing the, you know, the applications, the paperwork. And then after like watching some videos on YouTube, obviously I realized that some people actually get approved to get into the YouTube partner program maybe after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even months to get approved. So I was like, okay, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but let me just wait. Actually, some of the people they do not get approved to get into the YPP. So as I was waiting, I was constantly checking on my emails like, is it today? So on the 20th of June, I realized that I received an email and they said, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. It's like, wait a minute. So I was really excited, and there's some form that you're supposed to fill in, the Google AdSense form. So that's what I did. I went through the process of, you know, the application, opening the Google AdSense account because I didn't have that. They told me that I could actually monetize my videos. I went through the process of you know, what do they call it, putting the dollar on the videos, like making sure that their adverts, okay, turning on the adverts, that's the word that I'm looking for. So I went through the process of turning on all the adverts. So yeah, you're going to notice that you're going to see some adverts before, in between, and after the videos. Now you're going to see a lot of adverts. So we're going to be watching adverts here in this house. We watch adverts, okay? So it just took like 3 days to get approved into the YouTube partner program, and I was so excited to know that it's finally here after all the hard work. I mean, YouTube is not a walk in the park, guys. It's something that is really hard. The video that you see, like even a 3-minute video, you might realize that it takes maybe days or even weeks to make that 3-minute video. So it's not an easy thing. I know it looks easy when you're just watching the video, but the background work, just a lot of work, okay? And again, as you can see, that was June 17th to 20th when we got approved. So that's almost a year of just uploading the videos, okay? If you are to start a YouTube channel, you need to have a lot of patience, because if you don't have it, you're going to quit. Because it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's actually a journey that is, you just don't arrive in just 1 day or 1 minute, but you just have to work your way up. So that's just it, guys. I can talk for the whole day, but you know what, come here, you're awesome. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Okay, bye. Did I just say bye?